son. Thank you, Father. Lovely place.
Yeah.
Welcome, Your Majesty.
Thank you, my lovely wife. Good day, my queen.
Thank you. Your Majesty, who is he?
His name is Dike.
Yes.
Okay.
He's my son.
Your son?
Yes.
How? I don't understand.
What do you mean by how? You mean I cannot father his son? That's an insult.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty.
Speak no further. You will accept him whether you like him or not. He is my son. Son, come on, let's go.
It's okay, Father. Let's go.
Came to my house with a gun. You are not my husband's son. Who are you?
Your plan is to throw me out of this palace. You think I will let that happen?
Pack your things and leave my house. You are not a member of this royal family.
Ooh, Your Majesty. Do you know I can shoot you right now, right here, and nothing will happen? My father, the king, will defend me because I'm the heir apparent.
My husband, His Majesty, is not your father. Go ahead and shoot me!
How dare you talk to me in that manner?
Your Majesty. What sort of dream was that? My husband's son?
Stop it, Vicky, stop it! Ugo, I am running you. I am running you. See, I don't have time for you. Stop it. I don't have time for that. Ugo, I go run you streets now. I go run you streets. And I tell you. I didn't touch your wine. You did not touch my wine. Yes, I did. Who tampered with the wine I left in my room? Will you stop blabbing? Who even told you I touched your wine? Ugo. Who even told you I did? The maid who saw you entering my room today told me everything. So not just come, they come blow life for me here because if I run enter your spirit, Nana, your mama said when you not go recognize you. Let me have my wine, though. I don't want you. I just told you I didn't touch your wine. You don't touch my wine. Yes. Ugo. I didn't touch your wine. Ugo, give me my wine. You won't slap. Stop it. You won't slap me. Stop that. Vicky. 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 I'm respecting you as my other sister. Vicky. No, what? You want Vicky, don't try me.
Ugo, calm down. Calm down. Vicky, what is it? What is it? What is it? Eh?
Not me that they ask. Not me that they ask question. Not me that they ask. What I want Vicky. You're looking at her and she's hitting me. One how? I told her I didn't take her wine, which she's accusing me of stealing. Tell her if she as much as raise her hands again, I will kill her. I will kill her. You will kill who?
Did you take her wine?
I'm warning you. I didn't take her wine, mother. I didn't. You did not take my wine. She's only accusing me, and the next time you do it again. The next time you do it again. Okay. Because you wear white and white, you carry hostage. You say the dance at Tilogo, I mean the shake body for mama. Want this your pikin. If I run enter and she no go like me, I no see my head no there so. I dey crazy so. Mama, I dey crazy so.
Victoria, calm down.
Let's get enter my room, banner my wine. They tell me to make her calm down. Calm down for what now?
I will talk to her. I will find out the truth. Mama, people who came in this house. Eh?
Want this girl? One arm, one arm. Now my last one, you are the giver so.
Almost push me down. Eh?
I dey talk one, I say them push you down. What you concern me concern pushing down.
Buy your butter. Go na butter bachuto. Go na butter. Buy a delicious butter. Buy your butter. Abachuto, delicious abacha. Buy your abacha. It's all about you want the abacha. Oh, the body is buying extra today. Buy your abacha. Abachuto. Sweet abacha, sweet abacha, sweet abacha. Sweet abacha, sweet abacha, buy abacha.
Talk to me. Tell me about your new cash.
Oh, it's like gist. But wait, are you really anxious about this thing?
Yes, I'm curious to know because you're my kid sister. I deserve to know everything you're doing.
Okay, it's okay. Since you want to know, I'll tell you. So this guy is so fine. I met him online. He's very tall, he's fine, he's cute. Oh, you know my spec. Hey!
You're just explaining. He's too fine.
Because he must be cute. What can you say? Fine, tall, bobo, sweet guy. You know me now, I know they carry last.
Only.
All the
What is going on here? Huh?
Oh. Sorry, let me off it.
Ugo, Ebele, you have the effrontery to smoke in this house. How do you think your father will feel when he sees you smoking? Huh?
Mother, you have to calm down. It's not a big deal to smoke now.
I'm talking to you. You're still lighting your nonsense.
Mother, you know I'm not happy. Allow me to cool my temper with this.
Mother,
Yes.
Shebi you don't see am. Mama, shey you dey see am. This is the exact drink I was talking about this afternoon. And this oloshi wey dey here, this thief, this were. Tell me say no be she carry the drink.
Adai, oya, calm down. At this point now, I beg you, just calm down. Leave the drink. I'll buy another one for you. I'll replace it.
Make thunder fire you and your orange wig where you wear. You dey mad, like Abi? Shey you dey craze?
And you see, I'm coming higher now.
Wait till you want me to talk.
Shut up! Who be this one working face like expired Chivita?
Did you just slap me?
Vicky.
Abi, you carry crown cover your sense? Vicky. Are you crazy? Was
Oh, just slap me now.
And I will slap you again if you open your mouth. Are you mad? If I slap you,
Keep quiet.
Mama, please, I am begging you in the name of Una. No, I know they like problem. I dey my own and then they come find me. Tell her one who got to replace my drink in the next 1 hour. Else, you see this palace, you know go contain all of it. Yawa go gas here.
If you do this the way they do it, man, you don't do and cross my side.
Slap me, you know,
No, do and reach my side. You don't do. You don't do. You slap me, I leave. You don't even try to
handle it.
All the
you not go talk anything. Because of how much drink, me I go carry my own drink they rough. Because of how much.
What kind of children is this one? You did not finish selling your abacha.
Mama, I did not do.
What happened?
Market is bad.
Hey.
I fear the raw.
What is happening these days?
Mama, I don't know.
The same story every day. Yesterday. What is going on?
Mama, no. How am I supposed to know? I think it's time I change my market strategy.
How?
For days I've not sold anything.
How? Change your market strategies. How?
Mama, I can try the neighboring village. Go somewhere else. Mama, just Nambiko.
You will go to somewhere else. Oh God. What is happening? Before you have been selling well. What is happening these days?
Mama, some days are like that. Ina juko ni marozi. Ogo bu ni posile. Ego ni ne biara ya kwa enwe ajuzna.
Mama, good evening. Sister, good evening.
Good evening. Okay, good evening. Where are you coming from?
Mama, I want us one way ago. You asked me, am I coming from? Don't have the right, the full right to go wherever I want to go and come back whenever I want to come back.
As a full-grown man, you be. But I have the right to know where you went.
Am I here now, Jumia? Because Obi is no longer a boy.
Also,
Do, sister. Please and please. I'm not an lane, yeah? Stay your lane, I stay my lane. You go your hustle, I go my hustle.
Uchenna.
Mama?
Shut your mouth.
Just
shut your mouth.
Mama, acquire your heir apparent to this family.
And so?
Of this family, King Agui Akita. The heir apparent of this family.
Oh, boy.
Stay your own, I did my own. Stay doing something.
Yes, and that's why my father used to tell us that whatever you sow, you shall reap. And that's the very reason why I've been admonishing you and your sisters to be of good behavior.
Dad,
Yeah.
have I ever disappointed you?
Never. In fact, amongst all my daughters, you're my favorite, you know that. Yes.
Thank you, Dad.
Yeah, I remember my little mother each time I set my eyes on you.
Oh.
Yes.
Dad, now I know why you fondly call me Nenaya.
Because each time I do, I see the image of my mother, and I loved her so much. Yes, I see your, in everything, behavior, call it. You took after my mother. Who is there?
It's me. It's Vicky, Father. I want to have a word with you.
Vicky, I don't have the time right now.
Father, I said I need to talk to you right now.
Victoria, you are disturbing my evening. Please.
Really?
Dad, please, just let her come in.
Oh, I see. Joy is there. That is why you don't want me to come in. Good night.
Wait. No, Daddy. Please, just allow her come in. So she doesn't think I'm the reason you don't want to see her. Let me quickly see her, Dad, please. Vicky!
So I actually
went into my father's room to have a talk with him. And my father sent me out of his room. Wow. Just wow. Because suddenly you have become nothing, absolutely nothing in this palace. I don't know what the hell I'm doing here. Should be out of this place real soon. Really, really soon.
What? Vicky. What is it? Why are you shouting? Are we quarreling?
We're in the room having a bath. You're asking me if we're quarreling. What do you want?
Sister, you're still smoking.
Sister, me, sister. How many years I take senior you? See this old meat. You're calling me sister. Auntie, calling me sister. By the way, why are you here? And moreover, I am not in the right frame of mind for your sermon. So say whatever it is you have to say and get out.
Actually, that's not why I'm here.
But what? But what exactly? What have you come to say? Listen, if you know what is good for you, carry that your big bomb tongue outside that door before I give you backhand slap.
Sister, you're chasing me out of your room?
No, I'm not chasing you. I'm swinging you out of the room. Leave my room, my friend. Come on, Fee. Go outside. Who's coming to preach someone? You're asking me if I'm still smoking. No, I'm banning. My father like that.
If I change my location now, I need to go early.
To the city?
Yes.
Why city?
Mama, we discussed this already. That I need to give it a trial. Please, my daughter, I am only concerned. I know. Biko, just take care. Yeah, Biko, be careful. Biko, thank you. Sorry, my dear. Sorry.
What do you want?
You have no right to ask me that question, but I'm here to see my father.
And who is your father?
If you must know, Igwe Ezeoba is my father.
You are not wanted here. Now leave at once.
Your Majesty. Do not try to stop me, for if you do, you will regret it instantly.
Really? Guards! Seize him!
I told you if you try to stop me, you will regret it. Now you're going to pay with your life.
This dream again. This is becoming serious. Who is this young man that always attacks me in my dream? I think it's time I ask my husband some questions. Maybe he's hiding something from me. Your Majesty.
You look worried. Anything the matter?
I am worried, Your Majesty.
Why?
I had that same dream again. About the young man who claims to be your son.
Why are you bothered? It's a mere dream.
No, Your Majesty. It's no more a mere dream. The repetition of it gives me a serious concern. Your Majesty, please. Is there something you're not telling me? Do you have a son somewhere?
Say no such words to me again. I'm a man of integrity, and you know it.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. It's not as if I don't trust you, but the repetition of the dream makes me worried.
Don't bother yourself, okay? It's a mere dream. When you think of a particular thing all the time, it comes as a reflection in your dreams.
I think so.
Yeah.
Good morning. Good morning. Who tampered with the money I kept inside my bag? Money, in fact, name me your face. Look at your money. What do you mean you did not take any money from my bag? In Akwala. You're accusing me, Uchenna. I know that money is inside your bag. Give it to me.
Sister, I don't steal. Mama have taught me not to steal. I don't steal people's money. I'm a child of God.
Nah. Gente, ejikwana mgwebu no utwa. Inu na agwa gi.
I don't take your money now. I don't take your money now. What's going on now?
Mama, what did you know went inside my bag and took the money I put there? Mama, you know I don't use this.
Sister, I was coming. I don't take your money. Mama.
Hey! Uchenna. Mama, did you see it? Onyoshi! Nenu! Are you going to be here?
Uchenna.
No, stupid boy. Uchenna. I'll bring it.
I overheard you telling your sister
very wicked
that you did not take her money. Uchenna, what is this?
Mama? Mama, since my sister has decided not to help me in this house, since she decided to have Obi Akpo for me, Mama, whenever I see any opportunity, I will take it. Nobody should blame me.
Uchenna, whenever you see any opportunity by taking your sister's money, ego tachara fufu pata.
I don't want them more.
Uchenna, taking her money is an opportunity.
Mama, she's my sister. I only took the money just to stop 1 or 2. I mean 1 or 2 para. What are you also? It's not stealing, it's my sister's money. It's not stealing.
Uchenna, I'm ashamed of you. Yes, Ifere mebukwagi. Ifere mebukwagi.
Mama, your only son.
Uchenna, Ifere mebuogi. Only son again, arabachikwa gente gini izuoshi.
Mama, your heir.
Uchenna, I don't blame you. I don't blame you because I give you food. Onwere ihe na-arụ ịkwụgharịcha abata nye gị nri rie. So, go ahead. Steal your sister's money because nechiri aka na aja. Echiri aka na mud, si ga go and look for your own. Go outside and look for job. So that they will pay you money.
Mama, no problem. No problem. Since it's like this now, everybody should stay on their own.
Away.
I'm gonna mind that business I know now. Everybody should stay on their own. If not, Mama, only to what, yeah? Only to what, yeah? Mama, only to what, yeah?
It's what, yeah? Uchenna, only to what, yeah? She's doing go, yeah? Hey! You know one more? Uchenna, you did not take money. You did not take money. But now, the money is right inside your pocket.
All the Kedoze bomu masio, kedidi fenomeno bieze odi kwegu okwa na gwa bụ mma adata kwanu mata.
Afternoon.
Who are you and what do you want?
I'm Tony by name. I'm here to see my friend Vicky. Sorry about this.
You are here to see Vicky, my daughter?
Yes, Your Majesty.
All the Kedoze bomu masio, kedidi fenomeno bieze odi kwebu
Hold on! I'm in the toilet, hold on! I'm in the toilet! I'm coming!
Yes, Oh, Mom. I didn't know it was you.
Why did you lock yourself in here this afternoon? Huh?
I was just, I needed to rest. Chill a little bit, by myself. I like to chill. Yippee!
I can see you're chilling.
Yes, Mom. Chilling big time. Chilling with the big girls. I hope there's no problem, Mom.
There's a young man down there that said he wants to see you.
Oh. A young man?
Yes.
Ah.
Come with me.
Right after you, Mom.
We are going together now.
Mom, take a chill pill. If you snooze, you lose, I said I'm right after you.
Let's go.
Okay, Mom.
Come on, drop that thing. Drop it.
Mom, it's just...
I said drop it. Vicky.
Mama.
I've told you several to stop smoking. I don't want your father to see this.
Mom, cool down. Take a chill pill. Mom, if you snooze, you lose.
Let's go.
What time? Okay. I got you.
Have you been drinking too?
No! Can I drink? Hell no. I don't drink, Mom. It's okay. Let's go. Let's go, Mom. My phones. That's all. Right after you.
Okay.
Mom, I'm with you.
Go ahead, go. I'll go after you.
Mama.
Asham. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Oh, my baby! You're looking beautiful, Angel.
Thank you.
Come on.
Thank you.
Walk it for me. Let's smell.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry,
Mom.
my queen. I'm sorry.
Tony, this is my mother. Mom, this is my friend. He's my fiance.
My pleasure, my queen.
Thank you.
You are looking so good.
Thank you,
Take a good look at you.
You're looking sweet, looking...
I know. You want me to turn around?
Walk it for me.
Oh.
You got all I always
I look good.
Walk it for me. Yeah, walk it for me. Sorry, Mom. My pleasure, my queen. Sorry. Love so strong.
Very strong.
Thank you. Victoria.
Mom.
Can I see you?
Okay, Mom, but let me take him inside first so he could,
yes.
relax.
I said now.
Angel, it's okay. Don't worry. Go in. I'll wait for you here.
All right, snuggle bunny. Oh, you look so good. Turn it off.
Love you.
Yes, Mom.
Victoria.
Yes, Mom.
Did you say that young man out there is your what? Your friend?
Mom, I thought I told you. He's my fiance. He's not just a friend.
Are you out of your mind? Victoria!
Mother, what is wrong? Tony is a good man. A very good man.
Will you shut up your mouth? What is wrong with you? Look at the kind of irresponsible man you're going out with. Eh?
Mother.
Have you forgotten who you are?
Mother,
Have you forgotten your status?
You need to calm down. Tony is not irresponsible. You've not even had a talk with him and you're
I will slap you. I will slap you if you argue with me one more time. Listen. Go there. Tell him to leave immediately before your father sees him.
Mother, please don't start. You need to take it easy. Tony is a very good man. You need to talk with him.
Victoria, you heard me.
Mother, you have not even had time to have a talk with this man.
I am not interested. Mama, how
do you want me to tell him to leave? That
Go and tell him to leave.
Coming here. I'm not telling him to leave.
The things I see in the palace troubles everywhere. Arrogancy.
Who are you and what are you doing here?
My king. Good day, my king. Good day. I'm Tony by name. I'm here to see Vicky, my friend.
You have come to see my daughter and you're smoking the palace out.
I'm sorry about this. I'm sorry. So sorry.
Oh, Father, you met me already.
Yes.
Father, this is Tony.
Yep.
Tony, this is my father.
My pleasure.
He is my fiancé.
Your fiancé.
Yes, Father, he is my fiancé. And
Will you shut up? Your fiancé. Now who is he?
Father, I just told you. He's Tony.
Tony.
And he came to see you.
Yes.
Now get out before I send the guards after you.
Father, this is not fair.
Hey, shut up and get inside. Now get up.
Okay. I love you, okay?
I love you too. Father, this is not Tony.
If you go. Come, guards.
Yes,
don't let her go with him.
If I slap you now, eh?
What is going on? Huh? The same young man that attacks me in my dream is a friend to my daughter? What a coincidence. Your Majesty.
My queen. Did you see the young man your daughter brought to this house?
But I told her not to allow her father see the young man.
You're not saying anything.
Yes, Your Majesty. I saw him. It's the same young man that claims to be your son in my dream.
You know him?
I've never met him until today. Why would I be seeing someone I've never met before in my dreams? Your Majesty, you see why I've been worried?
I don't think you should be worried. You know why?
Why, Your Majesty?
The dream is trying to warn you ahead of that young man that has an affair with our daughter. So I think we should warn her to stay away from him.
The dream was to warn me about the young man's affairs with my daughter? I don't think so. There's more to this. There's more to this.
I hope say this one goes sweet past the one of yesterday.
Trust me now. My abachana test and see.
Okay, I go test them now, I go see now.
You will see, no worry.
Who better for more?
Don't worry, I will.
I go tell you about this abacha.
You need to. Just tell him.
This abacha where they see now, the Igbo's favorite.
Yeah.
And he go like him.
Ah, kiddo.
Put that one, put that one.
Mama! What are you doing?
I'm
How dare
dare you?
Huh?
How dare you bring a stranger into this compound?
Good afternoon, my princess.
Mama, she's not a stranger. She's a regular abacha seller. Abacha na atopon.
Are you normal? Are you sure you're okay?
Of course, I'm fine, sir. Yeah? Come and greet her now.
Madam, Yabacha.
The next time you address me as madam, I will deal with you.
I'm sorry.
And if I see you again in this compound, I will get you arrested. Now get lost. Get out!
Wait.
Father.
What is it?
Look at this idiot. This street urchin had the audacity to insult me, the princess. Now get out. Out!
What are you doing here?
My name is Kate, sir. I'm only a abacha seller.
Hi, Igwe. Ita abacha Kate. Igwe. I know you can perceive the aroma from there. Abacha, this girl is one in town. Eh? The Ngwe.
Will you keep quiet? How dare you? Are you mad? Why will you be talking when...
Just the explanation of the abacha.
I'm sorry, sir. I'll not enter here again.
You said? What did you just call the king? Did you just say, sir? Don't you know that the man standing before you is the king?
Let her go.
Thank you.
Now take your place.
Oh, okay, sir.
Let me not see you in this compound again. And you, if you know what you're here to do, better do it and do it right. Idiots.
Money abacha na Turkey. If you know the taste of this abacha, your mindset will change. Abacha Kate. Hey! Jiboma.
Oh no. You see, I came in respect of our discussion last time concerning Igwe. You see, it gives me sleepless nights each time I remember that this kingdom has no heir to the throne. Yeah? Are we going to sit back and fold our hands and do nothing about this?
May the gods forbid that we fold our hands. I spoke with Igwe last night, but I could not discuss that issue with him over the phone.
Oh no. I suggest we pay him a visit in the city. Yes. Yeah, since he no longer visits home as he used to do. Listen, we need to do something fast. Our Igwe is not getting any younger.
Iche, I think that is what we are going to do.
Oh no, delay is dangerous. Delay is dangerous, Makana. No one knows what tomorrow might bring.
Iche, in that case, I will inform Igwe about our visit.
Okay.
Yes, and I will call him on phone, and when I'm done with him, I will get back to you.
Good, oh no, very, very good. In that case, I'll be expecting your call. Please.
Yes, I will give you a call before evening. Exactly.
That's it.
And I will inform you our discussion.
Okay, no. I'll be expecting your call.
Okay.
Now what?
Call them. Ha!
Who's that? Kate, what are you still doing here?
I came to collect my money.
Your money, how?
Have you paid me?
Of course I've paid you.
When? How? I don't understand.
You should check yourself very well. I've paid you. I've paid your money.
You may go.
Okay, me, your money is inside my room. Let's go inside. Okay?
You are very, very mad. It is stupid.
You don't even understand what I mean. Okay, you know what? Come now. Let's go to my room. Your money is inside.
Give me my money. Give me my money.
You're shouting.
Give me my money.
Let's go inside.
Give me my money.
Hold on.
Try it next time. You will not see me here again. Come on, have my coffee.
Kate. Kate?
Nah, this girl is strong. See how she just jacked me.
Talk to me now. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Okay, man, what is it?
Okay. Where is the money I asked you to give me for my toiletries?
I see. Something came up. I was about bringing that money to you. Something happened. Something serious happened. To God.
That is your way of deceiving me all the time.
You know I cannot deceive you. You know I love you very much.
What did you? You know you love me very much. The only thing you are good at doing is to climb me. No, you cannot take care of me. Look at my skin.
I'm not skin. I'm not taking care of this skin like this. But see, I promise you, from the depth of my heart, tomorrow morning, early, I'll bring the money to you. I'll bring it to you. No, nothing will stop me from giving the money to you.
Tomorrow morning. Until then, do not touch me. Stay away from me.
Ndidi, come back, Bikon. Ndidi, come back. You know your name is Ndidi. And Ndidi means patient. Answer your name now. Do like your name. So now get away, calm down. We enter front seat for Benz. You amazing me here. Kate, you're the cause of all these things. Look at my afternoon enjoyment now. You just deprive me of it. No going to use kita. I know wala. Okay, banata. It's winter. Tomorrow is another day.
What is the meaning of all this nonsense? I'm standing here along the road waiting for you. What for? You are where? You are close by. I'm right here and I'm not seeing you. Look, listen, baby, I don't like this. I don't like it at all. Telling me you're here, you're not here. I don't like that at all.
I am sorry, darling.
Don't darling me. Don't darling me. That was how your parents gave me the worst embarrassment of my life. And you didn't say anything.
But I tried.
Don't tell me you tried because you were there. You didn't say anything to protect my image.
Jesus Christ. Okay, I am sorry once again.
Don't tell me you're sorry. You're always sorry. I believe they have another man for you and you knew about it.
Tony, why would you say a thing like that? You are the only man in my life. I'm sorry this happened. I promise it will never ever happen again. Alright? You know what? Excuse me.
Nonsense.
Now I see you smiling.
How much is this?
Well, that is 350,000.
Baby, I told you 500,000 naira.
I know. You know what? Just take this. I'll make up the rest later.
No, I needed this money urgently. Okay, when later?
You know what? I'll do my best to get the rest of the money before the week runs out.
That's too far. Baby, that's too far, please.
I said I would do my best. Just calm down, okay? All I need you to do right now is just to take me somewhere where I can chill and have a good time.
Okay, but promise me you'll do something about the money.
But of course, I will do something about it. I need to get high. You know what time it is, baby?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go, baby.
I love the way you work it out.
Oh, really?
I love the way you work it out.
Oh, really?
I love the way you work it out.
Sure you love
That's
it?
my girl.
I'll drive behind you, baby.
I'm right in front of you, Angel.
I'm right behind you, baby.
Alright, let's go.
With the things I see in the palace, troubles everywhere, arrogancy in the palace. Oh, Anamaju, Onyeka no chigi, Igwe Sanumo. There is no more respect in the palace. Onyeka no chigi.
Your Majesty.
Hello.
I hope you like the abacha.
Oh. So tasty. So sweet.
I know it. I knew you like it.
Where did you get it from?
I bought it.
You bought it?
Yes.
So where did you buy it?
There's this young lady that normally comes around to sell abacha here. So I used to buy it from her. I thought you would like it. So let me get some for you.
Honey, I like it.
I knew it.
Why not make inquiry about her? I'd like us to employ her so that anytime we need something delicious like this, she'll be there to prepare it for us.
Really?
Yeah.
No problem, I'll do just that.
That's my point. Wow, it's beautiful. Yeah.
Enjoy it, darling.
Thank you. Oh, Johnny.
Don't worry, it's all yours. I've taken mine.
Thank you.
I hope that you done well.
Yes, I did.
Yeah?
Yes.
Are you sure you put Jara for this thing?
Give me money. I don't have your time, man. Give me
check
money.
It. Let me check it first. Because you don't cheat me small.
Man, give me money now.
Come back here.
Yes, ma'am.
Say yes, my queen.
Yes, my queen.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma.
Come with me.
Huh?
Yes, follow me.
This great queen is taking her to. Hey.
Why is she not picking her call? Why is she not picking her calls? She's not picking call. Her phone is just ringing. This is the 5th time I've called her today and she's not picking call. Where did she keep her phone that she's not picking call? Her phone is just ringing.
What is this? Hi. Hi.
Hi! Vicky, is she okay? What is this? What? Vicky! Oh my God. Oh my God. Mother!
Joy, your father must not hear about this. Am I understood?
Mother! Mother, what do you mean? Mother, this thing you're doing is not nice. It's not good. Father should hear about this so that he can caution her.
And I said no. Your father should not hear about this. Listen, if your father hears about this, I'm going to hold you responsible. I've told you, he should not hear about this.
Mother! Hey. Hey.
Greetings, my queen.
Yes.
The king demands your presence. He said you should come immediately.
His Majesty wants to see me immediately.
Yes, my queen.
Okay, go.
Thank you, my queen.
His Majesty wants to see me immediately. I hope Joy has not told him about Vicky. Your Majesty, what is it?
Okay, Daddy.
What's the matter? You look worried.
I had a terrible dream this afternoon.
Dream?
Yes.
What about your dream?
I found myself dead in the dream. And the gods of alliance appeared before me. They accused me of not leaving a successor. I've been thinking about it all day.
This is serious.
Yes. I think it's a warning. I need a male child. And I don't know how to achieve it.
Your Majesty, can I make a suggestion?
Go on.
Your Majesty, let me fake pregnancy and we adopt a male child.
No. I will not allow such abomination. The gods of our land will not be happy with me. I have to look for another solution.
Hey, go on now. When the queen took you inside, what happened? Where are you now?
Tell us what happened.
Let me cut the story short.
Omaka, cut it. William.
Igwe said they would like to employ me.
Like to employ you? Where?
They would like to employ me at the palace as the cook.
Wait, you mean the man wants to employ you at the palace as a cook?
Yes, Mama.
Congratulations now.
Sister, you're not a palace cook. Sister, I'm going with you. Come on, now arrange the dishes.
Won't you wait? The bone of contention is me. I refuse to. I'm not interested.
You did what?
I said I'm not interested.
Kate. Kate, Cheroko. Na mama rapum biko.
Sister, why?
Are you okay?
Why?
As a cook in the palace, Akagaderia.
Mama.
What is your problem?
Sister, I want to go. Mama, I want to go.
Also,
hi. Banana, it's not fair. It's not fair.
Kate.
Palace, you reject. Banana, no. Oh, one in me, yeah. Only I want to go.
Kate, so. Kate, you mean you rejected such an offer from a king?
Sister, it want to go. Mama, I want to go.
Kate, so.
Only advice, sir. Only I want to go.
So.
It's not fair.
It's
not fair.
Have you seen concerning our Igwe's matter?
No. As a matter of fact, I've been tied down by my wife's sickness. I will see him tomorrow.
Ichie, are we not too relaxed? We need to go to the city so that our Igwe will know how serious we are on this matter.
Yes, we need to go. But we still have to plan it. We have to plan it.
Land one. Ichie, there's nothing to plan. Let us start going from here now to Uno's house. Makana sina aneji ifife we chube wuji. Makana chichi ama wutuke ebo odorisi ya o.
Ilo, listen. You are sounding as if I am not bothered about this matter. As a matter of fact, this issue gives me sleepless nights. Yes.
Ichie, let me ask you one question now. Do you know that if anything happens to our king, me and you, We have to share the blames. Let Igwe marry the second wife. That will give him an heir to the throne.
You are right. But let us see Onowu tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow, yes, tomorrow.
No. Let us from here now go to Onowu's house because delay is dangerous. It's here.
You know, I told you my wife has been sick. Listen, as a matter of fact, I am rushing to afford to see the Biakrika. Yes, he needs to come and attend to my wife right now. That is where I'm going to. So tomorrow we'll see Onowu.
It's here. Huh? It's here. Like I said, delay is dangerous.
What do you not like? Are you serious right now? Are you serious? No, wait, let me ask you. Did you give me the money I asked you for?
I can't remember telling you I will not give you that money.
You know what? Forget about it. Just forget. I know you're busy chasing girls around. And that's why you're so busy. So I even have my time, but it's fine. Don't worry.
Listen, Sin. I can't have you stand here with me and talk like this. Let's go inside.
I'm going nowhere with you.
These are the things you do I don't like about you. You always want to talk something.
Who is this and what is going on here?
And what is that supposed to mean? What do you mean by what? Who is this? I don't understand. Who are you?
Auntie, quiet. I know they talk to you.
I asked... Tony, keep short. I asked the question. Who is this plant standing beside you? Oh, I get it now. She's one of your side chicks, I guess.
Who be this animal? Now, who be this idiot?
Tony, you stand there. They call me side chick, baboon. You will not get sense. You can't say anything about it. Abi?
Calm down.
Oh, you don't have to tell her to calm down. Calm down for what? Babe, you're a side chick. And that is on period. Side chick. A very desperate one at that.
Okay, auntie side chick. Don't worry. Let me show you how side chicks react.
Hold on. Let me show you how side chick used to be. What don't you like?
Yeah,
don't even try.
No! Stop this! No, stop it! Stop this! Listen! I don't like this! Listen! I don't like this! I'm good at it! I don't like this! Stop this! Stop it! Jesus Christ! Listen! Stop this!
Igwe, that is why we have come again. You're welcome, my people. Igwe.
Your Majesty, it is the future of our land we are all concerned about.
I have never given deaf ears to my people in the past. And so, I am not going to change at this point. I heard all your complaints, and I promise I will do something about it. At least, it is for the good of the kingdom, isn't it?
Thank you, Your Majesty. We really appreciate your good heart towards our people. Keep it up. We're indeed proudly behind you.
Yes, Igwe. Igwe.
Well, excuse me, let me take this one. Hello? Yes, Igwe is your bar on the line. Yeah, who am I speaking with? Yes. What? She's my daughter. What? Okay, I will send my lawyer immediately.
Your Majesty.
Please,
I hope all is well.
Just a little more.
Can't you see that the Igwe is now more responsive to our visits? Unlike the other time we came.
You are very correct. Yes, you are right.
Oh no.
Huh?
You are saying he's very correct. You don't even know what he has in mind. Eh? And you are saying, I have said my own no.
Which other plans are you talking about? Rather than him remarrying, is it not?
Only for us.
We
don't know his plan.
There is no other thing Carlo is looking for in Obinji. He has to marry.
Please drink your drink.
Your Majesty, what happened?
Victoria is in the police net.
What? Why?
I was not told. But I've sent my lawyer to the police station to find out what happened.
Hey, this girl wants to kill me. What have I done to Victoria in this house? What? Eh?
Victoria has no iota of shame.
Let it not be that she was caught with her drugs.
Left to me, I would just abandon her there to suffer. That girl needs to suffer. She really needs to suffer. Well, let me get to my lawyer first.
Your Majesty, please take it easy. She's still our daughter no matter what.
Take it easy? Elizabeth, I should take it easy? I should take it easy? You wanted to kill me because I have daughters? Take it easy. Take it easy. Now I want to be left alone.
Your Majesty.
With the things
Who
I
is
see.
One carnivorous animal like that. One very stupid human being.
Vicky, now what are the vex for you? You dey always dey fuck up. When if you just beat some anyhow, you would have deal with that more than you did.
I want to vex you. No, is that what is getting you upset? The fact that father allowed me to sleep in cell for one night. That is pure wickedness now. That's pure wickedness.
Wickedness? I don't see that as wickedness. Vicky, what you did is very wrong.
So father, you said waiting. I mean, who be this?
That's right.
No, who be this? Who be this carnivorous animal now? Who be this?
No, keep talking.
Nonsense.
Why are you hitting me? I'm saying the truth. What you did is very bad.
If she talks again, give her another slap.
Backhand, I will give you.
Give her another slap.
I don't like this thing you are doing.
Will you keep quiet from rushing now?
Is it because I'm keeping all of you quiet? You are doing this.
Hey, why are you doing like this now? Why are you both doing like this now? Oh.
Very foolish human being.
I'm not here, you slap now. No, you don't talk. No, you don't talk. This is
Look at you can't let her go like that.
Don't
now.
worry,
You forget her
her
well.
own
This girl is small girl, oh.
Her own time will come.
Oh, beat her as in she dey vex me anyhow this time. No worry.
Do you know what she's trying to do? She's just trying to buy father's favor. She wants to become the favorite in this house.
That's why she thinks to leave her father with support her. That's the only thing. And me, I will beat her. Rubbish. Nonsense.
Her day will come. The day this girl will enter my trap, it will be just me and her in this house. It will be just I and her in this house.
Very yeah.
That shows say now Papa bonus.
No, no kill her. No kill her, our sister. No, no kill her.
Now she, now we don't know who born her because the three of us we are like.
Your Majesty, you mean they came all the way from the village just to tell you to take another wife?
They are worried because I have no heir to the throne after me.
Are they God? Who told them I cannot conceive again? Huh?
Well, you don't blame them. It's not their fault.
Oh, Your Majesty, whose fault is it? Am I barren that I should be blamed for it? Am I?
My queen, nobody's saying that you're barren. We're talking about a male child here.
And who told them I cannot have a male child for you? Your Majesty, these people simply want to push you into taking another wife. And you know it will not go down well with me and my daughters.
Don't sound selfish here. You see those men? They're not doing so for their selfish aim. It is for the good of the land.
Really? That means you have bowed to their pressure. Your Majesty, you have bowed to their pressure. My daughters, I don't want us to have this discussion in my room. That is why I summon you girls here.
Mother, what is it? You sound worried. K4.
It's your father.
Is he sick? Father? Mother, what happened to Dad?
The elders of our community are persuading your father to take a second wife.
Eh? Why now?
They said I cannot be a male child for the throne.
No, now, but this is not fair.
Una still dey speak English. Very wow.
No, you cannot bear me. So we now, waiting we be now.
No.
No, what are we? Firewood.
Animal play sorting. I don't understand. Are we not children? What's going on here? What's happening? I don't get it. See.
Because I'm not a male child.
Mama, better go out there. Tell the elders and tell father that I will not be in this palace and watch him bring another woman into this house.
Yes.
It won't happen. No. Now don't say my head no day house.
Yes.
We will not agree.
Ha! Me, I'm not go agree. I'm not go agree.
Atulari. So the thing when they talk now, you know here. Are you for us or against us?
I don't always the difference. I don't understand.
Mom, we have no right to stop Dad from making any decision.
I want always the different.
Yes, he is the king and he has every right to his decisions.
You be good too.
For his decisions. You know, say this life, you're not supposed to come as human being. Now mistake. Are you normal?
Hey,
he has every right to do what?
His decisions.
Girls, please. I don't need this fight. I am worried here. I'm in a hot seat. I need solution, not fight.
Mother, calm down. It's okay.
Joy.
Mom?
In a nutshell, what are you trying to say?
Mom, I'm just saying that we can't force Dad. We can only beg and plead with him to please not to listen to the elders.
We just beg him. Hare Krishna. Pragya. You think we're doing Z word here, Abi? Eh? You will just be bending neck and be talking. You will be talking nonsense.
You see that's not when you back.
Girls,
No enter well.
Calm down. I'm in a situation here. I'm in a hot seat.
Mama, sorry.
All I need is solution, not for you people to fight among yourselves.
Calm down.
Sorry, no worry.
Calm down. Don't worry. Let him bring the wife into the house.
Let him bring
her. Just calm down. Just calm down.
Don't worry.
We'll tell and say, 3 girls
No
alone.
for you to talk with. Just leave him. Let him bring the wife.
I
to
don't
the
want
house.
anything that will come between your
No,
father
nothing
and
will
I.
happen.
Mama,
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
We are happy.
We are at peace.
Just hold.
Are we not happy?
We are happy
We're
now.
We are happy.
We are happy.
Everybody's happy.
Joy, are you not happy?
Good morning, ma. Good morning.
What's that your name again?
Kate. Kate, ma.
Kate?
Yes, Kate.
Are you mad? Don't you know where you are? Now listen. The next time you address me or any of my sisters again, make sure to use the word, yes, my princess. Am I understood?
Yes, my princess.
Hope you're not the gossip type.
Me? No, my princess. We don't do that in my family. Oh.
Listen here. Here you talk less. I do the talking.
Okay, ma.
Your duty here will be, make sure you mop my room, clean it up every morning. Failure to do that, you're going to incur my wrath and you're not going to like it. Am I understood?
Yes, my princess.
Hope you know how to cook very well.
And trust me, now my job is that. I dey cook well. My princess.
You're so local.
Thank you, my princess.
And dumb. Go back to your duty. I have my eyes on you.
I hope that's not what I'm going to see in this palace soon. Me, I become farm abacha girl. I mean, they sell the abacha. I mean, they run a money. Take time. Maybe because of say I come to my papa house.
Atman! Atman! Atman!
Good morning.
Morning. How are you?
Fine.
Ah.
I brought your food. Please,
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I'll come back for the plate.
Okay. Thank you, yeah? Hey. How I go take convince this girl? How I go take convince am to do this thing?
Good morning, Your Majesty.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
I know you're enjoying your job here.
Very well, Your Majesty.
Just keep on, okay?
Thank you, sir. He's such a nice man. I wonder why the kids are so wicked. Joka. Fear one. sorry. I'm sorry, my...
I'm talking and you're still standing up. Come on, down!
I'm sorry, my princess. I'm sorry.
Let me just tell you something. If you ever try this rubbish again in this palace, I will strangle you to death! My stupid girl!
I'm sorry, man.
What has she done?
Can I imagine? Imagine this idiot. This fool emptied dirty water on me and called me a princess. If I kill her now, they'll say I've killed somebody. They'll say I've killed somebody.
Stop. Let her go.
Father, let her go. Just like that. Won't you caution her?
You have punished her already. Besides, she has apologized. Why did you do it?
Your Majesty, it was no intentional.
Go.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Kate! What is going on? Good afternoon. Please stand up, stand up. I said you should get up. Kate, get up, please. I beg you. It's alright. Just go back to your duty post.
Thank you, princess. Thank you.
I said go back. This girl. But come to think of it, who asked her to kneel down?
So this idiot defied my orders and walked out.
I asked her to get up.
What?
You heard me. What is wrong with all of you? What has Kate done to you?
Die! You will make me kill that girl.
Is everybody going insane or what? What has Kate done to them? Today is Vicky, tomorrow is Ebere, next tomorrow is Ugo. What kind of nonsense is this? You ask a grown-up woman to kneel down? No, that's not good.
Fine girl. How are you?
I'm fine.
You know, I wanted to see your face. I've not seen you today.
You've seen it now. So what are you doing here?
I came to see your face now. Now I'm happy.
Oh yeah, go now. You've seen it.
Wait now. Let me see you finish seeing you now.
Go now.
See how you fine. Hey, come on, get out. Only you.
Go now. They will catch up.
You sabi cook. You get nyash. You get brain. You get everything. Only you. Oh, bye. I'm going here. I'll see you.
Come back here. I said come back here. What are you doing here?
You mean me?
I said, what are you doing here?
I came to
Shut up. Both of you. on your knees.
My princess.
I don't want to repeat myself.
Like to kneel down, eh?
Where did you get up from where I asked you to kneel down?
Princess Joy. She said I should stand up, my princess.
Was she the one that asked you to kneel down?
No, my princess. I'm sorry.
For that reason, you're going to kneel down here till evening.
Hey. My princess, please now, be cool.
Idiots.
You mean me?
Take your stinking self back to your duty post.
Oh. Thank you, my princess. Should I start going in?
Get out!
Hi.
Man.
If you try to get up from here again, or if anyone, I mean anyone, comes and tell you to get up and you get up, you will have me to do it. I'm going to skin you alive.
Okay, my princess.
Crawl.
Eh? Hey! Aban! Oh, kwa giko osiri ya. My princess, because in...
Step into the sun.
Eh? My princess, bikon. My princess, emekwana miya bikon. Okwa nwo mmadụ ka mbụ. Princess, bikon. Hey. My princess, because in... Melunu mebele.
Stop right there.
Oh.
Kneel down properly.
Okay.
Your hands up.
Oh. Sidiano mkuru bikon. My princess. Try. Hey. Aban.
What exactly did you do to her?
Not know. She said I did not sweep her room very well. That's all. Who is he?
Just that?
That's all, my princess. Honestly, Your Majesty, I'm not more comfortable with our daughter's behavior. Vicky, Ugo, and Ebere. It is high time you call them to order. Their trouble in this house is getting on my nerves.
What else will I do? I'm already under pressure from my people over the head to the throne. Do they want me to die before my time?
Your Majesty, you are not going to die. But they are our children, and they are our responsibilities.
You still call them children?
Daddy, Mommy, I'm sorry for interrupting your discussion. But Dad, you really need to caution my sisters over their maltreatment to our new cook. If you go out there, you will see her kneeling down.
Who asked her to kneel down?
That is Ugo.
Why?
Mommy, can you imagine? Ugo said she didn't sweep her room properly. Just that.
All right, go ask Kate to get up. And call her for me.
Okay, Daddy, thank you. I will do that.
Madam Panuna. Oh. Are you Mama? Hey. Good morning.
What is good about the money? And what are you doing here? Have you come for another gossip?
Gossip?
Yes, gossip.
Or you think I've not heard the news you spread about?
What are you talking about, my friend? I'm lost.
Don't just deny it. Eh? Didn't you tell Mama Ako that my daughter is doing prostitution at the city, eh?
Ijoma, you know I cannot say such a thing about your daughter, eh?
Are you still denying it?
No, I'm not. And I've not set my eye on Mama Ako for a while now.
You are a liar. Big one. But no matter what you tell people about my daughter, your daughters can never be better than my daughter. Yes, you heard me.
Ijoma, what are you talking about? Why are you calling my daughter in this matter?
Oh. You're angry about what I said? But you go around telling people that my daughter is a prostitute. Eh?
Ijoma, if you're not happy that I'm in your house, tell me so I will be going. Eh? Instead of this insult.
You want me to tell you before you start going? Leave. Yes. Leave my house. Leave my house, Asiribakute. Leave my house. Continue your gossip.
Thank you.
But I don't want to see you anywhere close to my house.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Nkegi.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I blame myself for carrying this my two left leg to your house at the first place.
It's better. Biko nawa, go. Asiribakute why? Go. Go. I don't even want to see you again. Asiribakute. Otu akiga na agagari village to village. Na akwa asiri na agagari. Idiot. Kam fukwata gi bema ọzọ. Kam fukwata gi. Kate. Eji Kate chụọrọ unu aja.
Igwe's daughters. I don't want their problem. Let me quickly go and answer Akpan and see why he's calling me.
No.
You sent for me?
Yes. Come on, let's go inside. I want to give you something.
No, I'm not going anywhere with you.
Why now? You won't stay long. I'll be very brief.
I'm not. Whatever you have to say it here.
Are you scared? You're scared of me? Okay, let's go inside. Don't worry, nobody will see you, okay?
I'm not going anywhere with you.
It's okay. I'm coming. Just hold on, okay?
What is happening? What?
Don't open it. Don't allow anybody to see it, okay? Go. Just go. When you get there, you open it. Go.
Yes, my princess.
What's that? Nothing you said?
Yes.
And you're sure there's nobody here with you?
No, not at all.
Come with me.
Huh?
You know what?
Did I speak Spanish? Come, in fact, pass. Pass! Animal Kingdom.
Hey, Elisha, my good friend.
Who is your good friend? Mwanyas.
Tell him myself. Are we quarreling?
Are you asking me? Don't ask me. So after what I told you, you still went ahead and betrayed me.
Ah, please, let me explain.
Explain what?
Pico.
What are you explaining? I have seen the kind of person you are. Nonsense.
Hey. Okay, why is she even angry with me? When her mouth was running like a typewriter. Is it my fault? Nonsense.
₦100,000. Hey! Where did you get this money? Papa,
My dear,
where did you get this money?
I've told you, stop this thing now. Forget about where I got it from.
Why did you give it to me now? Makagini.
It's because about that thing I told you.
What?
Yes, I want to marry you.
Are you mad? Are you mad? I will not marry you. You are laughing.
Your slap is so sweet. Where can I talk here?
What is it?
Baby, stop all of this now. Stop this. Talk to me.
What exactly do you want me to say to you? Where have you been?
I told you I was traveling. I traveled.
You told me. No, did you? Did you tell me you were traveling?
It was an emergency. It's okay. Chill.
Tony, what exactly have I done to you? No, what wrong have I done to you? You treat me in a manner that I don't even understand. Same thing you did that landed me in cell the last time.
I said I'm sorry.
No, you are not sorry. Because you would do the same thing over and over again.
Oh, okay. It will never happen again. Cross my heart. Please, smile for me. Angel, please. My love, smile for me.
Just leave me alone, please.
I really want to, hey, anybody fine like me? What a very switch.
Where is my money?